Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the font in the Google Docs app. But for that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just go into the document where we want to write something. And then tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Thereby it's starting to edit it, and then in the top row we find this A button with some lines next to it. This is where we can edit the text. And now in the text part we just tap on font and select from this list font that fits our needs. Montserrat, Oswald, Pacifico, whatever we find pleasing from these. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.